Hello everyone, today I will be unboxing MelodySusie SC320F nail drills. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. It comes with the warranty information, the instruction manual, and this is the MelodySusie SC320F nail drill from S series. So this is the handpiece, and the nail drill looks familiar. I will check it out later. And then it also comes with the adapter for the charger and the charging cord, the handpiece holder, sanding bands, and 6 different nail drill bits, and also the nail drill cord. The nail drill holder goes here on the side, the nail drill cord goes here, and the other end goes to the handpiece. And this is what the handpiece look like. So as you see guys, it's similar to the SM200F nail drill. So this is my SM200F nail drill. It's a color pink, and the white color is the SC320F. So they are both the same nail drill, same design. As you see, that's the on and off button, and the back has the clip belt. The side have the same holder for the handpiece, and the down below same. And the front also looks the same button, forward and reverse button, the pause and play button. Now let's compare the RPM. So I'm gonna start with the SC320F nail drill, which is the white color. So as you see, it's up to 30,000 RPM, while the SM200F nail drill is up to 35,000 RPM. So that's the difference between the two. And now let's check the handpiece. Let's compare them. So the pink one is the handpiece for SM200F. It looks thinner than the SC320F. As you see, the SC320F is longer compared to the SM200F. And both have the lock and unlock button. And if you notice, the SC320F has those holes, while the SM200F doesn't have that. Both are lightweight. The SC320 is a little bit bigger around compared to the SM200F. Now I'm gonna try to use the SC320F to remove my gel polish. This professional nail drill is equipped with high-quality cordless motor, which enables it to work smoothly at a high and adjustable speed. The SC320F is up to 30,000 RPM, while the SM200F is up to 35,000 RPM. This e-file comes with superior torque to avoid it from stopping occasionally during work. It is awesome for nail buffing, filing the shape of various nails, and smoothing calluses or hardened skin on your hands and feet. With a large battery capacity, 2000 mAh, you can use this nail drill at anywhere, anytime. Being fully charged for about 3 hours, the SC320F nail drill will work up to 6 hours, while the SM200F nail drill will work up to 12 hours. Both are portable, with a belt clip of a body case allows you to hang it on your belt on the waist, and it is compact enough to pack into the traveling bag. And both are lightweight, and it is made of superior aluminum alloy with ample ventilation holes that are designed for dissipating the heat effectively. Both nail drill had a pencil shape and lightweight design that are perfect for extended use. And it works with all kinds of 332 inches shank beads. So I used both nail drill already, and they are both highly recommended. So the difference between the The SC320F is 30,000 RPM, while the SM200F is 35,000 RPM. So both you can charge up to 3 hours. The SC320F will last for 6 hours, while the SM200F nail drill will last for 12 hours. So for the pricing right now, the SC320F nail drill is $69, while the SM200F is $89.99. So I'm gonna leave the link down below on my description box so you guys can check it out, and don't forget to use my code ROSEDIY13 or ROSEDIY13 to get 8% off when you shop at MelodySusie official store. Both nail drill are easy to use and easy to manage, and they're both lightweight, and also they are both rechargeable. So either you are a beginner or professional, it is for you. And it is highly recommended. This nail drill will last longer. It's a good investment, especially if you're a nail technician or a beginner, whether it's for salon or for home use. And that's it, everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.